Hi children, how are you? I could not contact all students in my classroom personally, so you don't worry about. I will call you later. Last class we have learned about different important parts of plant: stem, root, leaf, flower, and seed. Did you enjoy that plant song in the previous video? You sing that song and understand the different parts of a plant. Then we had learned different functions of stem, leaves and their parts. A leaf has leaf blade, veins and stalk. Today we will study about the second part of this lesson, root, different types of root and their functions. Here I am going to show roots of plants. In the right hand, this is a turmeric plant. Observe its root. This is a grass plant. Observe its root. Aren't they different? So we can say that different plants have different types of roots.
Now let us move to the what are the important new words of this second part of this lesson, unit 3. So first one is taproot. Taproot means it's a kind of root. Second one is fibrous root. It is also a kind of root. Third one is absorb. Absorb means take in. Fourth one is minerals. There are some elements present in the soil. They are called minerals. When we look around us, we can see different types of plants. Big trees have long root. They grow downwards and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Here in this screen, you can see different types of plants having different roots. First one is Tulsi plant. Here you can see the long main root grow downward and there are small other roots arising either side of the main root. Same way you can see here carrot and beetroot also this kind of root. And another picture right side you can see a grass plant. Number of small roots or cluster of roots arising from the base of the stem. This is another type of root. So based on this we can classify a root system into two types. They are taproot system and fibrous root system. What is the meaning of taproot system? There is one main root which grow downward into the soil and there are small other roots arising either side of the main root. This type of root system is called taproot system. What are the important examples of this taproot system? In carrot and mustard plants, you can see this kind of root system. Look here. In this figure, you can see a carrot plant. It is growing, main root growing downwards and smaller roots arising either side of the main root. Here also, mustard plants also same way you can see that one long root growing downwards and smaller roots growing either side of this main root. This type of root system you can see in carrot and mustard plant. Next, another type of root system is fibrous root system. Some plants have number of small roots growing at the base of the stem. These roots are called fibrous root system. For example, in grass plant and onion plant, you can see this type of root system. Here, in this figure, you see this is a grass plant. Here, cluster of roots are originating at the base of the stem. This type of root system is called fibrous root system. In onion plant also, you can see number of roots growing at the base of the stem. Now, let us see what are the important functions of roots. First one, root fix the plant firmly in the soil. Because of these roots, plants can withstand strong wind. Second important function is root absorb water and minerals from the soil and carry them to the stem. Here you can see in this figure, roots are there. They absorb water and minerals from the soil and it reaches the plant body through the stem. Water and minerals reach the leaves. Leaves prepare their food with the help of this water, and extra water evaporates from leaf surface. Another important function of root is some plants like carrot and beetroot, they store extra food in the roots. In this figure you can see that carrot store extra food in the root, and beetroot also store extra food in the root. In this chapter we have learned about roots and its functions. There are two types of root system, taproot system and fibrous root system. So let us do some questions in this chapter. First one, what are the types of root system? The two types of root system are taproot system and fibrous root system. Second question, give two examples of plants of taproot system. Examples are carrot plant and mustard plant. Last question, third question, give two examples of plants of fibrous root system, grass plant and onion plant. Next, what are the important functions of a root? First one, root help fix the plant firmly into the soil. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Based on these lessons, let us do worksheet number 1. State if the plants in the pictures have taproots or fibrous roots. Take your notebook and write the answer in the notebook. Find out what type of root they have. Another set of exercise is given. New exercise is given. With the help of clue, you solve this puzzle. Clues are given here. These are tubes in the leaf that carry water and food. This plant has taproots. This is the stem of a tree. Down it is given. These are small roots growing from the bottom of the stem. New plant grows from this. This fixes the leaf to the stem. Then one more activity that you have to do it in your notebook. Take your fair notebook. Use full page for this. Draw and label the different parts of a plant. I hope you understood these lessons well. Read the chapter very nicely and write down question answer in the notebook. Now I am going to show you the video in which how root develops from the seed. Just watch and enjoy the video. Thank you, children.